Wake up in the morning and get up and say, boy, I have to deal with this. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype is somebody where I love, and I rate, and I respect. Likewise, Shorty come from my community, and I love, and I rate, and I respect. Shorty call a Bubba's daughter and, you know, separate from Vybz Kartel. Me know her first. You understand? So hear me and say right now, Lisa, just press off for that thing and allow Shorty. You understand? Lisa, the people them love you. Them say you're bad, them know you're a bad writer. And they know everything is going good. Whatever you and Kartel have, my general, reach out to Lisa. Because I figure more if you don't reach out to her, she'll go continue to damage her own legacy. And maybe speak some things where not necessarily should be talk about or speak or, you know, elaborate. Oh boy. Lisa, a lot of them are speculate and wonder if I'm a part of what you're doing, but you're your own big man. And I always try to tell them that. I have my life to live, I have kids to feed, I have everybody to take care of in my own corner. Lisa her own big woman. So let me clear the air, Lisa do what she feel like. Because I know so people are speculate. And Lisa say what she say and she do what she do and she her own big woman. I'm going to figure it out as a bigger brother to Vybz Kartel and as them uncle. I realize you see where there a lot of money is and where there a lot of success are going. Yeah, people will do things, say things, and make things in some different form of way for disrupt the whole system. Crash the system. Trust me, Kartel a focus. I'm like how you focus. I'm been a tell you that DJ. So you focus, brother. I'm like how you focus. But out of your short time, I know you're in England right now. More you just take time out and give Lisa a call. Sometimes I do them things and it's like, more time I don't know if I jump into my thing, just always suit other people or please other people. I don't know, but I have to do it. I can't afford to sit down and watch Lisa. This minute she up and go good, and this minute she down. I see she do a bad song, people them love it. People must still want to book her and don't have to do for her and everything. Rare. But hear me, somebody have to reach out to Lisa. Lisa, me I reach out to you. Because me love you. And me rate you. You get me I deal with? Me look at you. I tell you the truth, me look at Lisa and say, I me I do her bookings. And me I tell her, it's not like me get up and tell Lisa, Lisa just get about her blues and I say, I know I'm a booking agent. Me can't just get up and say me I shun her. She said some things the other day, I'm vex and I get mad and, you know, even me, she don't even know me didn't follow her. But me can't allow Lisa alone. It's like me can't allow her. You know, and when me see she do the things and me lower her and me will call her and say, Lisa, nobody say certain things, don't say certain things. I know that people, one side, I wonder if me a part of what Lisa say I do. No, I am not. But me is just a person where I have to support her, but me can't support her with what's going on because Vybz Kartel just did something the other day. Vybz Kartel try to bring a whole of it together. And when him and them have them look a problem, I try to deal with everybody. From Popcorn, go right on to all of them, Javinci, Lisa Hype, everybody, Gaza Slim, anybody where him and them in a problem. And him always never have a problem with me, dealing with them. But the one I kind of get too sour. So me I talk to Lisa because I know she listen to me. She listen to some of the things that want me say. You get me I deal with? So Lisa, me I beg you, just let go some of the things them. Forget about some of the things them. And me I ask the general, give her a call for me now. I know you're there London and you're London thing and rare. Just give her a call for me because God know. Somebody have to talk to Lisa. You understand? I call her and I talk to her. And I don't want the bad living with she and Mooney. I don't want the bad living with she and Hindu. I don't want the bad living with she and Sheba. Lisa even cuss me. And me she cuss when you call her, somebody said, Nuffy call Lisa and I want to tell about. I want to tell you the amount of people who called me and said, Nuffy, call Lisa. I call Lisa. Lisa said, where you call me for? Anyway, me hang up. I'm gone. When me look, Mr. Lisa text me. I'm sorry, me apologize. She'd have called me and me not answer. And she tell me so she's sorry and them look at something and way. And you don't feel a way, God, G. So me I do this, Lisa. You know. I love Shorty. I love you. And we love the whole Gaza team. You know what I mean? But somebody have to stand up and deal with this, brother. Can't just left us. Everybody does. Most of the people want to just left Lisa so and I call her one away and I make sure maybe one of you want to call her one away and I make sure feel like whatever she do is right. Yeah, you have to lower her, make she vent, yes, but there's reason for she to vent. That's not my business. I feel around other business that I never start it up because, you know, it's not everything me have to get myself in and dip in, but it'll get too deep. So me have to kind of try to reach out to Lisa. See? Yeah. Lisa, you find a bad song, focus this up. Lisa, the people them love you, but in my sense, them just want you to leave Shorty. You know, come here, read the comments and trust and believe me. I could just get back on board. Lisa, don't worry. Them are going to book you for Sun first. Them are going to book you at Canada. Them are going to book you all over. And me know me and one of the person we are going to call for make you rehearse and do whatever the thing. It's like me can't leave you alone. Me can't see you. Me can't, yo. Lisa just leave Shorty. And for all of the people we are speculate, even with the Spice situation and she and Spice, me know them are one day me have something for the people. Me not nothing for do with nothing. Lisa I won't big woman and she do what she want to do. See, but me cannot allow her to still continue. I say some things and then she end up with say things when not supposed to be said. Wishing I know there's nothing there to be said. But you know. And then you have some people who really are digging her skin and a pressure her and a call her and a interview her. Lisa, better you turn on your life by yourself and say what you say. But trust me right now, Lisa, stop. I beg you. Listen to Nuffy, just stop. And nobody come cuss me now or call me and cuss me, you know. I know you, but you not cuss me and disrespect me. You prefer cuss me so nice and say, Nuffy, why you tell me if you do this and then later when you realize when I tell you it's the truth, you see you text me or you call me and tell me, my brother, I'm sorry. And all the people will love Kartel and everything will love him and rate him and respect him, brother. Uno give Lisa a call, brother. Uno give Lisa a call from the Popcorn to the Shanstorm to the Mooney to the Indo. Uno give Lisa a call, brother. Or give her something public and tell her if it's done. Cause as far as when me look, if nobody no call Lisa, I don't allow Kartel because he my general. You know, allow him. If you don't allow the general to be always things that everything must allow to him, that means we are no friends. We are really not a part of the Gaza. Because someone don't want to call Lisa and talk to Lisa because you know, say, if you don't talk to Lisa, Kartel, I go pray, you know. Well, me know Kartel now go pray me, so that's why me come forward and attack. You know, call Lisa and talk to her, reason with her. Because Kartel now go pray, that's so you don't find out on yourself if you're not a real friend to Kartel. Or you're not a real person to Kartel. All the people that were their own Kartel. Everybody with their own Kartel. Everybody with power on Kartel. Call Lisa. Everybody with a part of Kartel entourage. Like what me I do. Call Lisa, reason with her, explain to her, and solve some of the problem too. You don't want to leave everything to Kartel alone? You know what I'm going to do? If Kartel deal back with Lisa, automatically you end up deal back with Lisa. And everything just forgot about. So if you know a really Kartel friend, and all the people with their own Kartel, where Kartel has support, and I give things and I do things, he can't do everything for himself. Right now, Kartel do 13 years and I'm a focus, brother. I'm a focus to do what I'm doing. He can't spend no time on nothing. And general, trust me, I think you need some people around you where pay attention to other people. You can't just have a lot of people around you when not paying attention to the rest of people and we are around you, but only pay attention for them benefit. But generally, I have to looking at them things there. So that's why problem win at the thing. You need to assign people to people, my boss, my G, my brother. See, So all the people with their own Kartel, who love Kartel and rate Kartel, give Lisa a call. Find out what is the problem. Try help solve the problem. You know what I mean? Because I know Kartel not done with Lisa. Thank you, have a good day.
Shit gets weird. And like I said, she held it for years. And then she couldn't hold it anymore.
You're talking about your baby mom?
Yeah, obviously. Well, I wasn't talking about him.
She got caught slacking then.
Yeah, but I still respect her. Because I understand human beings.
Right.
Even when she was slacking, I could still jump on my phone in prison. Shorty, go to the bank. Shorty, make sure the lawyer gets that. Pay this bill. Give this person money. And she was there right through. But come on, I'm in prison for fucking 13 years. What do you expect her to do? Like, save the pussy? It's not a hedge fund. I don't know, but but I forgave her immediately. Because I understand. But I just had to move on. Bro, she gave me 3 sons.
Yeah.
Come on. Big up Shorty, I love her. She made me cry. No. I was in prison. The other prison was like, what boss? It's crazy, man.
All of y'all.
Yeah.
No, I'm touring with me, Mavado, Bounty, Boju.
That's right.
Beanie,
That's the tour. That's the tour.
That's it. That's the only tour.
Me personally, I think you and Beanie are both kings.
Bro, my respect and love Beenieman.
Yeah.
He was before me. How the fuck you not respect a nigga who made it before you from the ghetto?
Open the doors.
Yeah, bitch. And we not do bitch business.
I think y'all going on tour will be real big.
Big up Bounty Killer. Big up Bushy Bantan. Big up Ninja Man. After that,
Big up
it's
Mavado.
me. No, me and Mavado in the same league.
Yeah. Okay.
You understand? So, big up Gully God.
Listen,
anyway,
we need to tour with all of y'all.
Yeah.
No, I'm touring with me, Mavado, Bounty, Boju.
That's right.
Beanie,
That's the tour. That's the tour.
That's it. That's the only tour.